All right, guys, so here's a video sample from the also famous Essential phone. It's a 4K video sample. I'm going to do a direct upload to YouTube with this one. I just wanted to give an updated video on this. After all of the software updates to the camera and things like that, I think it's fair to say that Essential has done pretty fair and pretty well with their video coverage, video cameras on their phone. Sky looks good. It's pretty cool, kind of a warm day out. Let's check the zoom. That's 8x zoom. Some serious zoom. It's a little windy out too, so you should be catching a lot of wind. If you're not catching a lot of wind, that means the microphones are canceling it out very well. And I don't know. I'll see it too when I get it up on the channel. But just color reproduction, focusing, everything looks to be solid, man. Looks to be pretty good. No complaints with the camera. It seems a little darker on the phone, but I've noticed that sometimes when I'm filming something on a device, when I get on the computer, it looks completely different. All right, so I'm out of here, folks. Essential phone, 4K sample, 2018, March.